Looking for a telephone wall jack that's straightforward to install and works right the first time? The Leviton 40249W standard telephone wall jack delivers just that. Designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, this modular jack combines a clean look with practical features that make setup hassle-free. What sets the Leviton 40249W apart isn't just its solid build or the standard white finish that blends seamlessly into any room. It's the thoughtful inclusion of a clear wiring diagram that guides you through installation. For many, wiring a telephone jack can be confusing, especially when replacing older outlets with different wiring setups. This jack includes a simple, easy-to-follow diagram that shows exactly where each color-coded wire connects, saving you time and frustration. I recently swapped out an old, unlabeled 6P6C outlet for this Leviton 40249W, which uses a 6P4C connector. The difference was clear. Without any guesswork, the included documentation made it obvious which wires went where. No second guessing, no trial and error. The new outlet fit perfectly, and it worked flawlessly on the first try. For anyone who isn't a wiring expert, or even those who are, this kind of clarity makes all the difference. What you get with the Leviton 40249W is more than just a basic telephone jack. You get peace of mind knowing the installation won't drag on or cause headaches. The screw terminals ensure a secure connection, and the included wall plate gives a polished, finished look. Whether you're updating your home's telephone setup or handling a quick repair, this jack simplifies the process. If you're someone who values straightforward, reliable products that don't waste your time, the Leviton 40249W is worth a look. It's a practical solution that meets standard telephone wiring needs while cutting down on guesswork. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your telephone connection with confidence.